Hey, welcome back everyone. Thank you for checking out my video. Today we're going to do the unboxing of the 85 Camaro Z28 from Revell in 125 scale. Excuse me. Let's get her open. I've already removed the plastic from around the box. Alright, so let's see here. We have some no labels, regular standard tires. And we have some clear parts, windshield, the tail lights, looks like running lights, big bag of plastic parts. I don't know what a big blag is, but there it is. Let me cut her open, we'll get right at it. I see there's no chrome parts in the box. That's kind of interesting, but I guess there wasn't much chrome on this year vehicle. There's instructions and a decal sheet. Let's see what that looks like. Oh, alright, a lot of options there. Yep, and I think for this one we're going to use these right here. What is that? Number 4, 5, and 6. Very cool. Very cool. Alright. Like I said, I had a 82 Z28, and it was dark copper, bronze, kind of metallic kind of color. It was really sharp with a camel interior. Here's the instructions. A lot of color choices. A lot of, what is that? Oh, I got the parts name, like a ledger of numbered parts. That's pretty slick. Been a while since I've opened a fresh new model. Let's see here. Pretty simple instructions. Build the engine. Doesn't look very highly detailed, but that's okay. Little interior. Boom. Boom. And there's some tips on where to black out your parts. Pretty cool. Put that back in the box. Tear open the bag. Let's move this over here. Come on now. There we go. Here's the body. Interesting. Got little dimples on the, or not dimples, but points to line up where your windshield will go. Nice straight looking body, looks good. Next we have some wheels. Standard Z28 wheels, Camaro wheels. Interior bucket. Has a clutch, which is interesting. Alright. There's the seats. Suspension. Obviously upside down, but that's the steering wheel. I remember that was black with a black center and then aluminum bars on the sides. The rear end suspension is all one piece there. fan belt and pulley system. Oh, there's your engine halves. Fan blade. And these look like the mirrors, but they have a little bit of flash on there from the mold. That's no big deal. Oh, transmission built right into the what? That's interesting. Built right into the chassis. So I guess you can do it two different ways. Either cut that one out or use that one and set it right in there. I'm not really sure about that. Looks like it sits right in there. That's interesting. Okay. There's your chassis. Here's the whole top half of the engine. Like I said, it looked pretty basic in the instructions. Dashboard. Radiator. Steering column. I think that's, wait, I'm not sure what that is. Oh, that's the gas tank, I guess. Yeah, all right. Shifter, wheels. Seat backs, air cleaner with the air induction, license plate. And the last tree here. Sprue, whatever you want to call it. Got the beautiful hood. The engine compartment with a lot of molded in detailed things. Take some time and paint those up real nice. And a full exhaust system with a converter. That's great. Catalytic converters on there. Alrighty. Alright, well that's it. That's everything in the box. We'll be back in a little while and see how the progress is going. See you in a bit. Thanks.